Hello, young woman. I'm the Dr. Hernani. What is your name?
Junior Amelia,
And how old are you?
8 months.
And what is the matter?
I have a sore eyes.
Let's have a look. You will put some ice drop 3 times a day.
Thank you. Can I watch the television tomorrow?
I'm afraid not.
And next Sunday?
Yes, in a few days you can watch the television again.
Thank you, Dr. Hernani.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye-bye. Hello, young woman. I am Dr. Uribe Sango. What is your name?
My name is Amanuel Abreu.
And how old are you?
9 and 6 months.
And what is the matter?
I have a cough.
Let's go to a room. You will take some cough syrup twice a day.
Can I play football tomorrow
I'm afraid not.
and next Monday?
Yes, in a few days you can play football again.
Yay! Thank you, Dr. Luisano. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, ma'am.
I am the Dr. Perez. What is your name?
My name is Odey Ravitz.
And how old are you?
I have 9 and 5 months.
And what is the matter?
I got a headache. Let's have a look. Oh, you will
Take some paracetamol.
Can I escape tomorrow?
No, I'm afraid not.
And next Monday?
Yes, in a few days you can skate again.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
I'm the Dr. Parada. What is your name? Anna Merino. And how old are you? 9 and 6 months. And what is the problem? I have a cut on my finger. Let's have a look. You're willing to put a plaster on it. Can I dance tomorrow? I fear not. And next Wednesday? Yes, in a few days you can dance again. Thank you. Bye. I'm Dr. Castellà. And what is your name?
Liliana Jolie.
And how old are you?
How are you?
10. And what is the matter?
Stomachache.
Let's have a look. You will take some paracetamol.
Can I go to the beach?
I'm afraid not to.
My Monday.
Yes, in a few days you can go to the beach.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm Dr. Aliaga. What's your name?
My name is Eneco.
And how old are you?
9 and 4 months.
And what is the matter?
I've got a cough.
Let's have a look. You will take some cough syrup twice a day.
Thank you. Can I play tennis tomorrow?
I'm afraid not.
And next Thursday?
Yes, in a few days you can play tennis again.
Yes, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello, young woman. I am the doctor. What is your name?
My name is Edurne Costa Rosa.
And how old are you?
9 and 7 months.
And what is the matter?
I a headache.
Let's have a look. You can take some paracetamol.
Can I do judo tomorrow?
In a friend, yes. In a friend, and a friend,
And next Monday?
yes. In a few days, you can practice judo again.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye. Dr. Alonso, what is your name?
My name is Mara Sanchez.
And how old are you?
9 and 1 month.
What is the matter?
I got a headache.
Let's have a look. Beep beep. You take some paracetamol.
Thank you. Can I explore a cave tomorrow?
I'm afraid not.
And next Monday?
Yes, in a few days you can explore again.
Thank you.
Bye. Young man, I'm the doctor. What is your name?
My name is Naipano.
And how old are you?
8 and 9 months.
And what is the matter?
I swollen ankle.
Have put some ice on it and keep your foot up.
Thank you. Can I play basketball tomorrow?
I'm afraid not.
And next Monday?
Yes, a few days you can play basketball again.
Thank you, woman. I'm the Dr. Vergara. What's your name?
My name is Leila Fuentes.
And how old are you?
I'm 9 and 7 months.
And what is the matter?
I've got a headache.
Let's have a look. Yes, you have to take some paracetamol.
Thank you. Can I skate tomorrow?
I'm afraid not.
And next Monday?
Yes, in a few days you can skate again.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Woman, I'm the Dr. Arteaga. What's your name?
My name is Irati Gonzalez.
And how old are you?
9 and 2 months.
And what is your matter?
I have a swollen ankle.
Let's have a look. You will put some ice on it and keep your foot up. Thank you.
Can I skate tomorrow?
I'm afraid not.
And next Monday?
Yes, in a few days you can skate again.
Thank you.
Bye.
I'm your doctor, and my name is Dr. Proctor, and you've got to listen to me.